line for the Yoast Black Friday sale?
It sure is, but I hope you brought some food because it looked like it's gonna take a while.
Yeah, I hope they have some plugins left. There are so many people in line already.
Yeah, I hope so.
Oh, and it's so cold.
Oh no! Are you all waiting in line for the sale?
Yeah.
We sell digital products. Didn't you know you can just shop online? Come on in. We have enough for everybody. Oh. Oh. There are discounts everywhere, but 30% of everything at Yoast is something you definitely don't want to miss out on. And by everything, we mean everything. This includes Yoast SEO Premium, Yoast subscriptions, and all SEO courses. Oh, and did I mention, it's the highest discount ever!